Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your curriculum guideline design that you can send to parents as PDF with the use of Canva design, and also your time schedule, your timetable that you can also use in the classroom, send to parents, send to your students so that they can actually know how to prepare themselves ahead. Remember, we are in the digital age, and they're talking about digital age. We need to make use of so many tools that can depict a lot of visual in the classroom, and definitely Canva design can be of help. So stay with me, I'll be right back. Welcome back. So let's go to the workspace as we start right away. As we all know, the website is canva.com. So when you visit canva.com, this is what it's going to bring. Just search the class schedule. When you search class schedule, you are going to see a lot. So scroll to see as much as, let me use this. I'm going to be using this as my curriculum guideline. So the first thing I'm going to do is to first erase this, and curriculum guideline, and with this now make it uppercase. To make it uppercase, just click on these three dots and then come to the uppercase. Then to change the color, come to your color and change the color to any design of your choice. Then the logo, this is not my school logo, so I'm going to be uploading my school logo. You click on upload from your computer, and this is for your school logo. Then this document is for parents of Creative Mind School, Nigeria. Okay, and because we only run primary classes, this is year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, year 6, extracurricular. So curriculum guideline, it can be subject based, it can also be in form of classes. So anyhow you want to do it, just make sure you get it right. And I want to add background so that it's not just like their own. There's a website here that it is written background. Just click on background. So when you click on background, they have so many background there. So just look for let me look for school or education. Okay, I can't find them. Let me just look for all the ones they have. This is mature enough. Okay, this is mature enough. Maybe child friendly. This is not also bad. So explore different kind of background that you can add to this to make this look wonderful. This is wonderful to be sent online because it's colorful and it's because I like color. I like color a lot. And that means this is going to be white. Now, but let me change this color. Give it an effect. Give it an effect. Okay, this is the effect I'm giving the color. Okay, so this is our curriculum guideline, and everything is there, and this is the first thing we are doing. So the next thing we are doing, let me go to the home page again, and our timetable for the school. timetable, time schedule, also class schedule. We can also use class schedule to get the timetable for school. So let me look for anyone that is this is not bad at all. So with this right now, I'm going to, what's the name of my school? Creative Mind School. Time schedule for year 1. Any notes? No, because it is not scheduled to correction. But maybe if you want to write notes, but I'm not writing notes. I'm adding my school logo there immediately. So I want to change the background. Okay, I think it will be good for me to change the background. If you have the picture of your students, maybe let me look for the picture of some of my own students. I've uploaded some pictures before. Okay, maybe I'll just use the picture of my students and then my position down. Okay, this is not bad. Position down, the picture of the student showing our school. Done. Good. So with this now, Creative Mind Schools, this and that. It's not a school yet. I don't have a school yet, but definitely just got any picture to use. So your school logo, this and that, and I think this should carry a color instead of white. Let me look for a nice color to, yes. Now they will give you the picture of what you use over here, and they will tell you to pick pictures, to pick colors around it, which is also great. So this is fine. And from here, I think I have tried for today. So I know you have mastered how to create your own timetable and your curriculum guideline through the use of Canva design. I am 100% sure that at this point that you should learn how to create your own. So thank you very much, and I'll be right back.